Hey everyone, we're here at Animal Kingdom today, here to get our magnet, here to have some fun, do a walkthrough real quick, see what else we can get into while we are here. Join us while we are here at Animal Kingdom. New maps, new maps, new maps. And my favorite thing is now that we have the guests with disability maps. Isn't that fantastic? And then we got the kids, they offer a pen, a pencil so the kids can draw in it. Isn't that fantastic? All the languages, all the languages.
Yeah, that's a good guess too. Maybe when you go home, you can write some other stories.
Let's go get our pass. Just like that. Boom, we got him. He's actually cute. I really like it. I've been seeing him online, but you know, it's a lot better than I thought. Pretty cool. And this one here, he was so excited to be here. He's like, oh wow. All right, let's see what we can get into. So right now, you can use what was left of Bug's Life. They got Doug and Russell over there. We got walls. Lots of walls. Lots and lots and lots of walls. Walkway is blocked off. Gotta go around. Interesting. As you can see, the walls are up. November 2nd or 7th, it'll be Zootopia. Hanging out under there. It had a gorgeous view though. It's beautiful. Just beautiful. Here's another view. It's beautiful back here. So, here's your walls. So, November 7th is a opening, night, day, whichever you prefer. The characters will be out. It's gonna be a lot of fun. I wonder if they're gonna do pass holder previews. It'd be great. Be a lot of fun.